Here's how to upload videos. So you're gonna wanna make your way back over to your YouTube channel, and then all you're simply gonna do is click the camera. It's gonna say create, and you're just gonna click upload a video. Keep in mind, there's a lot of editing softwares out there that'll actually allow you to upload directly from the editing software. So a lot of people won't have to do this, but we're gonna go ahead and select the files. After you select the files, it's gonna begin to upload. You can then add the details of your video. So for example, this is about the purple Lambo. So I'm just gonna put purple Lambo as a title. We are gonna do a full description for this though. We're not just gonna leave this simple, but for demonstration purposes only, I'm just showing you guys a quick example of how to upload a video. So after you guys' video finishes uploading, it's gonna go through a few checks to make sure that you don't have any reused content or anything that's copyrighted. And then from there, what you guys are gonna do here is you're gonna go ahead and fill out your description box. This is a very short video, so it's gonna upload pretty fast. Keep in mind, most videos may take longer depending on your internet speed. So if you have great internet speed, it should upload pretty quickly. But description box, I'm just gonna put purple Lambo, just for example. And then from here, we're gonna go and upload our thumbnail. Now it's not gonna allow me to upload a thumbnail just yet because I haven't verified this account, but keep in mind, once you guys click upload thumbnail, you can just grab your picture and put it onto the video, and then you guys are good to go from there. You guys can also select a playlist if you guys are doing a series on your channel. Afterwards, like I said, always have it on not made for kids so you can make the most out of the video. And I'm just gonna leave it here. You can change it even if you set it permanent for all videos. So if you did wanna change it, you could do that. You always wanna go down here to show more. Once you guys go to show more, if you do have paid ads, somebody gave you like a brand deal or a sponsor, you wanna make sure you mark this right here to let them know that it's a sponsorship or endorsement. This is pretty much all the settings that you had from your channel settings, so you don't really need to do much here. This is where you will put your tags. So for example, I'm just gonna put purple car, and then from there I'm gonna click enter. And as you guys can see, I could fill out this entire box up to 500 characters, which I suggest you all should do. And as you guys can see, it did just pre-populate a thumbnail for me. So keep in mind, you guys don't want to just use your video's thumbnail. You actually want to add a thumbnail because it's going to help more people click on your videos. It's going to show you guys the video language, the caption certification, of course, the recording date. All of these things you could just leave the same, the license as well. And then you guys just want to make sure you change the category. Although I already set my channel's category as a specific category, you guys want to make sure that this is always set to the category of the video. So this video specifically is about cars, but we're just gonna say auto and vehicles. It actually has that. So we're gonna go ahead and put auto and vehicles for the category. And then of course, you guys always wanna hold potential inappropriate comments. And then you can also sort your comments. So you can sort it by the top comments, or you can sort it by the newest comments. You guys can do top as well. Will help for engagement. When people see the comments, they're more likely to engage with the top ones, not the newest ones. So it's good to just leave it here as well. Then you guys can actually leave this option here where it's checked. It says show how many viewers like this video. You just want to leave that alone because the more people see that people like the video, the more likely that they're going to go ahead and like the video as well. So if everything is done correctly, you want to go over here to next. You can add subtitles. Always add end screens. Because it's the first video on this channel, we can't add any end screens right now, but you definitely want to add end screens. And also you can add cards promoting other videos. I suggest doing this, especially if you have a series going on, maybe somebody missed the previous video. You want to add that on a card and make sure it's at the length to where people don't click off of the video. If it's 30%, make sure it's above at least 50% when you put a card. That way you get all the watch time you need to get the video pushed out. And then that way, if they do want to click on the other video, they'll click on it and you won't lose out on the watch time. From there, all you want to do is click next. Then it's going to show you the checks. There's no copyright issues found, so that's really good. You're going to click next. And then it's going to basically show you your visibility. Now, if the video is supposed to go up right away, you can public it if you've done all your metadata with the tags, title, and description. If you guys are gonna go ahead and unlist this video, maybe you have a brand that's asking you guys to submit the video, so you guys can go ahead and click unlist it, send the link over to the brand, and then they'll be able to check out the video before it even goes live or anybody even sees it. Or you guys can go over here to public. Like I said, if you're just publishing it right away. There's also another new feature that you can do. Say for example, if you wanted to do a premiere where you get a lot of people in an audience just live viewing the video, you guys can premiere it. That way people can see it before it goes live, and it just builds hype for the video to release. I don't do that too much. I will only do that if it's like a huge announcement for your channel or for your content in general. You guys can also schedule it. I speak a lot about this, like especially if you guys are going on vacation, or say you guys have to go to work and you just need to wake up early and go to work. You don't have any time to upload a video. You guys can schedule your videos to go live right when you're going to work or right when you want it to upload. Say you just aren't going to have access to your computer or your phone at a certain time. You can always schedule it for that perfect peak time to upload your videos. Also, if you guys, like I said, are going on vacation and you just want to have the videos upload without you even looking at your channel, you can schedule it as well. But for now, guys, what we're going to do, we're just going to leave it private, and then we're just going to go ahead and save it. Once you guys have saved the video, if there's anything you want to change, you guys can go over here and click the edit details. And then you guys can add your description. You can go ahead and do pretty much everything you can do in the uploader. So to optimize this video, you guys want to make sure all of these boxes are filled out in detail. You have a really great title, which is top 7 fastest Lamborghinis in the world. Although this video doesn't have all of them in this video, this is just an example for you guys to understand how you can actually make this video very good for the search engine. After you put your title in the description, under that you want to make sure that you have all your keywords in a natural way so you can form them in a paragraph, so that way when people type in Lamborghini in the search engine, your video will come up just from having those keywords inside of the top paragraph. Afterwards, you guys can put an about me section, let your viewers know to subscribe to your channel. You always want to have CTAs in your description, and you can also put timestamps about, let's for example say the 7 Lamborghinis. Say I just put each Lamborghini in a timestamp just to let people know, like, hey, if they liked a car that they specifically saw and they didn't want to just keep on rewinding and, you know, fast forwarding through the video to see it again, they can just click the timestamp and it'll show them exactly what they're looking for. Now you can keep on adding to this description. You can add other channels that are similar to yours, just so you can go ahead and optimize it for suggestions. And you know, if you do want to get recommended, it also is really good to just keep on adding as many keywords in natural ways so that it can get out to more viewers. Now, of course, you will add your thumbnail. As I told you guys, I can't do custom ones on this video, so I'll just do that. Also, what you guys want to do is you want to make sure that you have your tags, and so you want to fill this out with the keywords that make the most sense. Okay, so what I did was I just took it over to this site called Rapid Tags, which I will teach you guys about. I put in my title and then I just copied every single keyword it told me about and I dropped it into my video. But this is the video. It is officially done, and I'm just gonna public it for this channel just so you guys can see what it looks like when it is officially published. So we're gonna go ahead and click public. Then we're gonna go ahead and click save. Then we can go over to our YouTube channel and you guys will see the first official video has been uploaded to the channel. So there it is. It shows the purple Lambo. It shows your YouTube channel name. It shows your description box, and it also shows the comment. You guys can like your own video. I always suggest being your first like, and also leaving a pinned comment telling people to subscribe or like the video, or just comment something they enjoyed about the video.